Hello again. So, I'm in my noisy laundry room slash data center, and probably wondering what you're looking at here. You might recognize that power supply. What you won't recognize is this motherboard. It's a super micro, and put this card in here. So what this is my epyc 7551 server build rebuilt. I found out that the Gigabyte board I had was a little bit more of a pain in the neck than I wanted to deal with. So I went and bought another board. Actually, I bought a board and CPU combo. Fortunately, the board was fine. The CPU was not fine. I'm not going to go into too many details about it. Maybe some other video. Cautionary tale, if you will. Whenever you buy used, do some diligent research, and definitely do research about the distributor you're buying from, because not everybody's as honest as they claim to be. So, why am I filming this? Well, the build is technically finished. I have my NVMe card, 4 card, and there's another video coming on the setting up the RAID array for this, and yes, it works pretty good. So I'll be able to show some results on that. But you're also probably wondering, what the heck is this chassis? It's not the same one. Not the same one at all. Well, turns out I wanted to rack mount this thing. And actually, the chassis I had it in was never intended to be permanent. So I bought this thing. It's a Rosewill. It's got 12 hot swap ports, and they're here. They're here, and I don't have any drives to put in them yet, and I might want to swap this fan out. I only had the two, these are my Lian Li fans, and they're the only ones that'll actually fit this, and without having a special, will fit this connector without having a special adapter. So far everything seems to be cooling fine, and I'll know more once I plug in a bunch of drives and get everything set up that way. Anyway, this is a 4U rack mount chassis. I got a hell of a deal on it on eBay on auction. It seems to be working fine. Came with these iStar USA rails, and they work. Some people sing their praises. I've seen a lot of people who haven't, and I can tell you one of the reasons why. If you look over here, I don't know how well you can see it, but these are not the same rack mount bolts that come with the iStar USA hardware. In fact, I don't think I even, when I got this, I don't think I received the proper bolts. And it wouldn't matter anyway, because they wanted me to use some flimsy washer to attach, put through here, put the washer in place, and then attach this rack to the back side. Not a very good design. Not only that, but as I said, I didn't get the bolts for it. So what I ended up doing is I drilled out the damn holes. I drilled them out. It's mine to do what I want with it, right? And then I put the standard freaking cage nut. There's a cage nut in there behind here, and bolt. So I just eliminated that problem altogether, and now it works fine. And yes, I'm able to take this in and out. There's a kind of a crazy little latch in here. I'm not going to pull this out all the way, but that allows me to slide it out. But I'm not going to do that, because this is a heavy beast. It is I don't know if it's the heaviest one I have, but it's close. So unless I have to do something that requires me taking this out, and I can't do it from a step ladder or a chair that I'm standing on, it ain't coming out. So, oh, another change. This bad boy. I love the Noctua cooler. When it was in my desktop system, it worked perfectly. I highly recommend them for desktop situations. Unless you've got a strange 5U chassis, because the other thing, it won't fit in this chassis. It sits about that high. So unless I'm going to have this open frame, I'm not going to be able to use a Noctua cooler. This cooler, as loud as it is, well, it's designed for service, and it is amazing. Highly recommend it. 50-ish bucks. I don't know about shipping and tax, wherever you're from, wherever it's gone, whoever you buy it from. These coolers are amazing for what we're doing. So, yes, highly recommend it. Anyway, it works great. So, I'll probably continue editing the NVMe RAID video, and I'll include why I use this. This is an RTX 3080. We'll get into that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what was going on, and yes, my rack is coming along. In spite of myself, I am actually filling this up. So, who knows, you may see more. I will be doing a video very soon about this thing. It is currently empty, but I'm waiting on another one of these. I had to use this one was reserved for that chassis, but because I couldn't fit my Noctua in here, I had to use this. Anyway, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.